Lodwong, wearing a yellow short-sleeved shirt, was joined by NRM Vice Chairman Moses Chigongo. They told the media that Museveni is still their top choice for president and urged Ugandans to continue supporting him for progress and prosperity.
The country and the public that the National Resistance Movement Party is a very strong party, as you all know, and we are here to pick nomination forms for President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, who will be in the ballot paper for the next election. And I'm going to say by confidence that we are winning this election. Thank you.
Other candidates also picked nomination forms, including former Kawempe South Member of Parliament Mubaraka Munyagwa, who was with his party officials, including Moses Bigirwa, the party Secretary General. Munyagwa met with Electoral Commissioner Kennedy Kamya to collect the nomination forms.
And I have a very formidable team behind us, but I want to press it on record that we oppose this exercise because we are a political party which during the process of registration was required to produce signatures countrywide. So to subject a political party to this rigorous exercise again is so unfair. But it's a requirement of law, and we promise to do it in 1 week because this country is full of common men.
This son, Richard Tadwong, they entered with their vehicles. As if we are inferiors. We are not inferiors in this business. We have come to defeat NRM, and we are going to defeat NRM. We are warning Electoral Commission to stop treating NRM as a special politician in this country. They are not.
In a surprising moment, Moses Chigongo shared a friendly exchange with Munyagwa and Bigirwa, which is unusual between opposition members and ruling party officials. After receiving the forms and guidelines, Munyagwa and Bigirwa criticized the Electoral Commission, claiming it favored the NRM by allowing them to express interest first, even though Munyagwa's team arrived earlier. Julius Muchunguzi, the Electoral Commission spokesperson, responded by saying all candidates were treated equally and that many Ugandans have shown interest in picking up nomination forms.
Common Man's Party, once the process has been completed and it's about to be completed. So those 5 picked for political parties, and then the rest who are picking as individuals, as independent people. You know, since 2000, this country went into a multi-party political dispensation following the referendum of that year. And what that means is that to contest for elective positions in Uganda today, you can come supported and sponsored by a political party, or you can come as an independent. And those two are provided for within the law.
William Rwanga,